Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all guys for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. So my amazing people, in today's video I will be showing you what I bought from African store and from Italian store. So as you can see here, this is fresh fish. This is scubian fish or mackerel. So I got that one in Italian store. And also this is prawns. This prawns here is 2 kilo. I got this one also from Italian store. Trust me guys, things are so expensive. Although things are expensive, what will I do? Person must chop now. So this one is a Derica tin tomatoes. I got three cans here. You can see it. Then I have pig milk. This pig milk, African people normally use it. You guys know this one is not for the Italians, okay? This one is for African people. Then I have banga here. So I got this banga also from the African shop. I love banga soup or stew, anyone. As far as it's banga, I love it so much. Then I got some scotch bonnet pepper here, although I have some in my garden, but I decided to buy another one. Okay, then I have 2 packets of Maggi cubes here. This one is made in Nigeria. Then this one is Tom Tom. You guys remember Tom Tom now? Wow, when I saw it I was so happy. I decided to buy it. And here is black fish, the dry one. This one is all the way from Africa. You can see it. So it's still, they put it inside the stick. Then I have this dried prawns here. You can see it. This one I love it when I use it to make stew. Then I have a goosey. This is a goosey I bought today. This one you guys are seeing here is pomo. So the lady I bought it from, he said this pomo is from Nigeria. They have already dried it. So whenever I want to use it to cook soup now, I got to boil hot water and put it inside. Okay, then this is ogbolo. You can see the type of ogbolo they have in abroad here. Now wow. So this is a crayfish. Even the crayfish self, it has been a long time that I use crayfish on my food, so I decided to buy that one. And here is okporoko. The lady said the okporoko is from Africa, so he said that I'm going to like the taste. This one is different from the normal one I always buy in the African store, so I decided to buy that one. And here is beans. I got 2 packets of it, the white one and the brown one. So the white one I normally cook it, as in beans. So while this red one I use it for akara. Then I have red oil here. This is African red oil, African Beauty Pure Palm Oil. So I hope you guys know palm oil. Normally use it to make soup. Then I have some other stuff here, and this is a bread. You can see this bread. This bread is like the one you guys normally buy in Africa, but here in Italy is Nigerian people that normally make this one. So the bread is very delicious. It's so sweet. Okay, then I got carton of malt here. So I've already put 1 pack inside the fridge, and it's remaining 3 packs here. Each pack contains 6 cans. Okay, you can see it here. So I've already put 1 inside the fridge. Then I got this carton of Indomie, because the place I normally go to is very far. I can't be traveling all the time to buy African stuff, so I decided to buy carton so that it will still last for some time. Inside this carton it contains 40 packs. You can see it here, 40. So I believe Indomie is still helpful at home, most especially when you have children like my daughter. My daughter love it so much. Okay, then I bought some attachment to make my daughter's hair. This is 3 packets of attachment, and the color is black, number 1. So this is all I got. Lest I forget, I also buy Brazilian wool. I've been watching some videos on YouTube. People are using Brazilian wool to make their hair, their kids hair. So when I saw it in the African shop, I said why not? So I bought 3 packs here. You can see it in this video, 3. I said okay, I'm going to give it a try to make my daughter's hair. Okay, so I bought 3 packs. It's Brazilian wool, 100%. Okay, then this is all I got, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not hesitate to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Okay, this is fish. I love fresh fish. These fish are direct from the sea. This one is not frozen one, because I don't love frozen one. Frozen fish, like me, somebody like me, i think I think that frozen fish don't have taste as this one, because this one is direct from the sea. Okay, so I decided to buy 2 kilo. So everything I got here cost 136 euro, because the lady didn't give me receipt. You guys know now, some African people in this place, you know, they don't give receipt. But when she calculate everything, I think it came out 136 euro. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till I come your way again, bye.